Hey, good morning. What up, my peeps? Happy Friday. Happy little window of hour of stock market activity. This is my first experience going through it. I wake up at 9 o'clock and I have one more hour to trade or do something, and then it closes for everyone, and then at 1 o'clock it really closes permanently. But that, and then you'll see if you're on Robinhood list of other things like July 3rd July 3rd, they close early. But today, all those stocks we talked about, I told you to get out of, it's all bloodbath now. I just looked at them all. Red. I told you whatever, there's gotta go, gotta give, Well, we knew that Fisker was gonna go down because it already just went up 100%. You guys expect something when things like this happen. I told you, when you start seeing a pattern that goes, just what is going on? Why is the money going up so much? It's gonna give out at some moment, and here we go. Look. All red. That's not even what I'm vested in. But the one thing I can tell you guys that did go green again, is Switchback Energy. That one I definitely would hold on to. I would not let go of that for the long run, because that's a merger and it's going to turn to a company called ChargePoint. Start getting in the idea of thinking it's time to go shopping. It's time for Christmas. It's time to get gifts or give gifts. And where do people go to get those when we have COVID? Some stores are open, some stores are closed. Some people like iPhones, some people like Androids. I mean, there's just a little subtle hint right there of what stock to buy, but I don't know. That's just my thoughts. A stable one too. These ones that we've been going over, these SPACs, special acquisition companies, that they're basically companies that are waiting for a big brother to help them along. And if they don't find big brother, they just go away and never come back. So that's the real volatility you have with those companies. They had a huge run up. They went up either $2 to $10, all those stocks that we talked about. And am I gonna say ignore them and never look at them again? No. Put them on your watch list. Put them right underneath. Put them right underneath your stocks that you own, so you can scroll right up a little bit more, because you can change all that stuff by holding your thumb down on the stock. But it'll be really convenient for you to be able to browse it and find it right there. All the stocks that you really want to pay attention to for the week or the day, or I don't know, however you roll. On the EV vehicle sector is, other than, oh wow, Tesla did go down a little bit. A little, not from what it was this morning, but it's 585 now. So it's not 600 yet. That's a nice thing to see. But I'm waiting for Tesla to go on. It's just been on a roller coaster of up and Workhorse. I don't know. Fuel cell. That would be something I would hold on. Basically, here's the deal. If you know a company is really good and it's expensive right now to buy, but you really do want to buy it, wait for it's called a pullback, where it goes red for a day and then it goes back to green. That's called a pullback. So when you get these companies that are very expensive, or companies that you want to buy, like Tesla, wait for the pullback, because then you know that Tesla's so strong, you're buying it on a down, that it only has to go up. Most likely. Everything is likely. We don't have a certainty. That's the problem with the stock market I hate. But oh well, that's just life. Palantir. Remember my friend Palantir? Our friend Palantir? Palantir, it's in the red again. I called it. I knew it was going to go red. However, with that being said, this might be a good time to buy in on Palantir because a lot of people have been buying in on Palantir today as it's been going down. Let me just see. They're buying and selling off, buying, selling off, buying, selling off each time it goes down. And now it's all the way at its lowest today. So right now, or you can wait till Friday, Monday, which might be a better idea. Because we don't know how low Palantir can go over the weekend. Or, you know, after hours, it could just swing back up. And then on Monday, you find Palantir at $30 or something. I don't know. It's very unpredictable, but there's people selling off right now and buying at the same time when it goes back up a little bit. These are the short-term sellers, but the normal line is the Palantir still up. Its high was 33. Its low is 26 today. That's a big fluctuation, and it has a market cap of 48.31 billion. Okay, that's now talking to me a little bit more than it was last week. Yeah, Citron shorts Palantir, call stock A, full Casio. All right, that was the same person that said Palantir is going to go down. And they did it again today and said the same thing. And they're just trying, I don't know. This is like, you gotta like really be on top of it. And I'll get into more detail about Palantir. But if you're in Palantir, sell it while you still can. Sell it while you can before you lose the money that you gain. If you're thinking about getting into Palantir, I'm gonna wait till Monday and then see what happens because this is just too little. I've got 4 minutes to make a decision. It's not enough time. I need to see more action. And that's how you should be thinking too. All right, guys. This has been an educational video. I'm not a financial advisor, obviously. There's a disclaimer I try to put at the bottom of every YouTube video just to let you know in words so you can really see it. I started in June 4th, not June 2nd, of 2020. And I've been having a roller coaster of a ride. And I feel like it's only been up until recently that I'm starting to get the swing of things and learning that, you know, learning that the stock market can just swing and go wherever it wants. So like you said, you know, you can fart on the stock market and it'll just blow away. I know it's a little bit too, but whatever. You won't forget that one. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, you can push the like button. If you don't, I don't care. I'm gonna make that a slogan. And then subscribe. You want to subscribe or not subscribe? I don't care either. But you know, this whole video's purpose is to help us beginners learn how to make positive decisions about the right stocks and how to do that and why we do that and what are the reasons and why basically. And then I go into a list of these are the reasons why. Well, boom, 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 boom. Management. You need to have good management. If you've got to find research and you find crappy management in your stock, get out. I've heard that over and over again. So every time I make a video, you guys, I don't have the ability to do the editing and all the flashy dashy stuff, but I have meat and potatoes, which is my words. You should have a piece of paper and a pencil every single time I start a video, because every time I make my videos, except for this one, I use a piece of paper and a pencil to tell you what's going on, because I have to take notes. But I would strongly suggest taking notes when I write this, so then you can just go straight, type it into your whatever phone, and put it on your watch list. Because the information I give you is not given from me, but I get it from another source, a very credible source, I believe, and who hasn't steered me wrong. And he's actually, I've written to him, he's replied back to me, and this guy's got a lot of people that follow him. I mean, he'll have 22K in 8 hours of a video. That's a lot of people watching the video. 22,000 people in 8 hours. And this is not Jim Cramer. So, anyways, it looks like it's about to be 10 o'clock right now, and I hope you guys have a great day. If you like to want to follow me, you can go to Tuck Notes, YouTube, or Instagram at TuckerMLO, or my blog at #TucksBlog. I do more than just this. I actually have a job, and I actually have a job. Where is this thing? I do have a job. And I like to do other things too than just sit in front of camera and talking to you guys, trying to make us money. If you have any feedback, please give me some feedback. Tell me something. If there's something bad, I need to